Mood. It shows a writer's attitude towards his use of verb. It is the condition of the mind which the verb presents. Kinds of mood. Indicative mood. It is used to make a statement or ask a question. The river sang its water music as I stood by its bank. The moon is behind the white, golden, and crimson clouds. What are the worries that are troubling you? My worries are over. Imperative mood. It is used to make orders, commands, or requests. Whenever one is asked to do something, the verb is in the imperative mood. Go and bring your mother from the airport. Kindly help me in this difficulty. Return to me soon after the exam. 1 and 3 are orders in the second person, and second is a request. Subjunctive mood. It is used to express a wish or make statements which are imaginary or against fact. 1. We wish we were the rulers. 2. If it had rained, the fruits would have been riper. 3. In case she loses the case in court, she will lose her property. 4. Till you come, we shall stay here. 5. We desire that he be punished. 1 is descriptive of a condition against the fact. Second also expresses a condition in the past. Third gives the condition regarding the future, and so fourth does. Fifth B is used for action to be taken in the future.